Good afternoon to everyone. Thank you for having me here. I'm Diego. I work at Novogene. Probably most of you know the company, mainly if you are working in Latin America. I'm in charge of Latin America from Argentina to Mexico, so I know most of you. And if you work in Europe or the US, we also serve those countries, so I can contact with my colleagues in there. So mainly the introduction is for you to know what we do, and in case you need some sequencing services, you can reach me. We have a stand, and we're going to make a raffle by the end of the meeting for one free whole genome of bacteria or yeast, or you can use the credit for another service you need. I have another QR code in the stand. Okay, so Novogene is a sequencing service. We don't sell machines or reagents. We only do sequencing. So you can send DNA, RNA libraries, and we do the sequencing and the bioinformatics. Most of you are bioinformaticians, so we can work with you, or you can send the samples and we can send to you back only the raw data, and you can make the rest. Our company is 11 years old, and we are 2,000 employees. Latin American team, we are about 40 employees, and we have a specific company in UK to serve Europe and another one in the US. Here you can see all the labs. Last month, we opened a new lab in San Francisco. San Francisco will be only for single cell sequencing. So it's going to be all for 10x services, in case you are interested. Here are our values of the company, mainly to serve all the customers and have the best price and the best service for all of you. And so far, we serve all the globe, so we have customers everywhere. And in case of South America, we give free shipping to our labs in the US or China, and all the staff speak in Spanish and Portuguese. Well, the impact this is mainly all the papers that our customers and our headquarters publish. And I'm over the right. And most of the employees, we have PhD or master degrees. We all work in bioinformatics, molecular biology, clinics. So I think this is a very good point for all of you. And here I work in sales, but I'm also molecular biology, and most of the people in the company have this kind of degrees. So far, we have a clinical and biopharma service like oncology panels, a whole genome for humans, and special panels we can design for you, and mainly research service like animal plant, bacteria, yeast. Probably in NGS, we try to cover all the services. And also we have most of the machines like Illumina, PacBio, and Nanopore, in case you need long reads. We have PacBio and Oxford Nanopore with very good prices. Later, if you have questions about prices, I can give you the numbers, it's fine. And this is a Novogene robot that was designed by our company and help us work 24/7 and speed up most of our services like extraction, library prep. So this is very important for us. And you will see this because we have very fast turnaround time in our services. And well, here more detail of all the services, NGS. What else? In case of our clinical customers, we have CLIA, CAP, so we can give like exomes if you need CLIA. Most of Latin America don't need CLIA, but in case, and also for the oncology panels, and in cases that the customer asks us to make the full clinical report. This is more about your specific. And well, we have a big issue with the amount of data we are generating, because the new machines keep producing more and more data. So we used to save for 90 days. Now we are saving the information for 30 days. So it's important for you to download the data as soon as we ship, as we send the link to download, because we don't have enough space to storage all this amount of data. And in line of this, we bought the new Illumina NovoSeek X. It's going to be ready probably in January. We are going to start with some tests, and we'll be in the same. We are going to have more issues with the information, because it sequences a lot of gigabases, and we have to buy more space to save it. So mainly with this machine, we don't have a prices so far, but we expect to have a cost of the whole genome around $200 to $300. But so far with the NovoSeek, our whole genome, human whole genome sequencing with 90 gigabases is from $500 to $700. But with this machine, the goal is to reduce to 200 to 300. So it's going to be very interesting for all of us. And here are some comparisons with the rest of the machines we have. And it's going to be fast, cheaper. So I think next year will be a big revolution mainly in whole genome, because most of Latin America customers are now doing exome. Not too many are asking for whole genome in case of human. Yes, in animal and plants. So I hope this machine will make customers in Latin America ask for more human whole genome. And well, this is one of the reasons it's going to be cheaper, because of the reagents are going to be all dry, so it's going to be cheap and easy to ship all the NovoSeek X reagents. Okay, so thank you. Any question? You can ask me, or you can contact me in the booth. Okay.